So RaptorTech was founded in 2018 by John Ferrer and myself. We started the business because we saw a need in the industry to do things a different way. The current players, OEMs and vendors had just grown complacent and not customer focused. Our goal when we started the business was to connect the industry like never before. So we wanted to get the right data to the right person at the right time so they could make decisions that not only affected safety but affected profitability and all aspects of the business. It's all about the technology and it's all about the outcomes. So we sell outcomes, we don't sell technology.
Globally, IoT demand is expanding almost at an exponential level. So year-on-year growth is expected to hit and sustain at around 20 to 25% over the next 5 years. That means by 2025, the global market for IoT products in an industrial setting will be more than $110 billion. What does that mean for miners or construction companies in Australia? We don't know, and a lot of our customers don't know. A lot of businesses these days struggle with all the noise they hear around getting data to their people to make better decisions, but they don't necessarily know how to link what is a lot of media hype and information back to practical business problems.
So when we started developing RaptorCore, we really set out to revolutionise the way that telemetry is taken off a machine and presented to our customers. No longer are you restricted by your OEM or by cost barriers or by how old the machine is. RaptorCore will talk to anything.
We started from scratch, went to the drawing board and looked at developing an electronics data collection platform that can fulfill just about any industrial use case we could come up with. And when I say industrial, I'm not just talking about mining. I'm talking about figuring out if a cow's pregnant based on its vibration, movement and core temperature, opening and shutting a remote farm gate or making sure the dam's full, all the way through to integrating with a high-value $5 million mining truck and streaming real-time health and productivity data from that asset to the cloud. So what makes RaptorCore different? First thing is it's 5 to 10 times cheaper than most of our competitive products out there, while being able to do 2 or 3 times more with a single hardware platform. RaptorCore was designed as a multi-use industrial sensor platform. That means it's not designed for mining trucks, excavators, cows, farm gates or vehicles. It's actually designed for all of these applications using exactly the same hardware and software base. That allows us to rapidly pivot and address a really specific custom problem with minimal engineering changes. Now, cheap doesn't necessarily mean dumb. We've got a number of machine learning and AI core processors custom built into the board that allows us to make RaptorCore smarter at the edge, learn its own lessons and send me summarized processed data to the cloud, minimizing my data cost, my battery consumption, and the number of data points your analyst needs to look at. An interesting application we recently applied RaptorCore in was as a control system for an automated fencing solution developed and deployed in Queensland, Australia. RaptorCore acts as the main central nervous system for this navigation solution, giving the fencing system live, real-time information based on its current post's location and where the next post is required, getting accuracy within 10 millimeters. A lot of the applications I've spoken about for RaptorCore would be familiar to you, and that's a little bit boring to us. We're also doing some exciting things. We're currently developing a product to drive autonomous control of a detection vehicle designed to pick up unexploded military ordnance in conjunction with our high-precision GPS solution. That ensures driver safety, no more driving over mines, and allows us to really accurately identify where ordnance may be sitting in a farm or in a grass field in the middle of Vietnam.
Looking towards the future, everyone's interested in digital twins. That's something that you just cannot do without connected assets. Whether that's a mining truck driving down a haul road or a rocket flying to the moon, if it's not connected, you can't see it and you can't do anything about it.
We believe RaptorCore is one of several products we're working on at the moment that will revolutionise the market. While RaptorTech is relatively young, we have no shortage of ambition. We're a 3-year-old business looking to go international and national in the next 12 months. We're rapidly expanding our business and reinvesting every cent available in expanding our footprint and our product and IP. And that's because we believe we can be market leaders in industrial technology within the next 5 years. We're bringing RaptorCore to the market as an end-to-end solution. So if you're looking for a technology partner to provide hardware, software, training and support to ensure your business is running at its fullest potential, don't hesitate to contact us. No matter what the industry, if you've got the assets, Raptor can get the right data at the right place at the right time. If you're a company who wants to control, monitor and collect data like never before, or if you're an investor looking for an exciting opportunity to join a rapidly scaling business, we want to talk to you. Stay tuned and see where it goes.